Anatomy, classification, and nomenclature. Perforator vessel types. There are two types of perforating vessels to the skin. They originate from the deep source artery, passing directly to the overlying fascia and skin from a cavity or fissure that lacks deep fascia. Direct cutaneous artery, example axillary fossa, cubital fossa, oval fossa, and popliteal fossa, or the septum, or passing some tissue structures, mostly muscles, and then indirectly to the skin. One musculocutaneous perforators. This type of perforators is the cutaneous vessel after penetrating underlying muscle. Through intramuscular dissection, longer vascular pedicle can be obtained. Septocutaneous perforators. This type of perforator is the cutaneous vessel after piercing the fascial septum between muscles. Through intraseptal dissection, the perforator can be traced to its deep origin from the source artery. Vascular plexus of the integument. There are 5 layers of vascular plexus in the integument from deep to surface. It is subfascial, suprafascial, adipocele, subdermal, and dermal. If some specific structures exist in the subcutaneous tissue, for example, superficial sensitive nerve and or subcutaneous vein, they are perineurial and or perivenous plexus. 3 vascular plexus of integument are rich and abundant: suprafascial plexus, perineural and perivenous plexus, and subdermal plexus, and they are corresponding to the concept of fasciocutaneous flap, neurocutaneous flap, and thin flap, respectively. Classification of perforator flaps. From the point of vascular anatomy, there are 2 types of perforator flaps: musculocutaneous perforator flap and septocutaneous perforator flap. Type of perforator flaps. Basic type: isolated perforator pedicle nourishing a skin island, perforator flap adipocutaneous, perforator fasciocutaneous flap, perforator adipofascial flap, perforator subcutaneous fat flap, perforator thin flap, perforator neurocutaneous flap. Perforator extended, perforator plus adipofascial pedicle, perforator adipofascial flap, perforator adipofascial neurocutaneous flap. Perforator combined, source artery and perforator 3, perforator conjoined flap, Siamese, perforator chimeric flap, perforator flow-through flap. Perforator flaps can also be classified by its tissue composition. Flap constitutes transferring mode, pedicle or free, contiguity local or distant, and other characteristics. Nomenclature of perforator flaps. There have been many debates about the concept and terminology of perforator flaps until 2001, when a group of experts reached a consensus in Belgian Table 22, the Gen Consensus on Perforator Flap Terminology. Definition 1. A perforator flap is a flap consisting of skin and or subcutaneous fat. The vessels that supply blood to the flap are isolated perforators. These perforators may pass either through or in between the deep tissues, mostly muscle. Definition 2. A muscle perforator is a blood vessel that traverses through muscle to supply the overlying skin. Definition 3. A septal perforator is a blood vessel that traverses only through septum to supply the overlying skin. Definition 4. A flap that is vascularized by a muscle perforator is called a muscle perforator flap. Definition 5. A flap vascularized by a septal perforator is called septal perforator flap. Definition 6. A perforator flap should be named after the nutrient artery or vessels and not after the underlying muscle. If there is a potential to harvest multiple perforator flaps from one vessel, the name of each flap should be based on its anatomical region or muscles. A new nomenclature by Chinese Microsurgery Society, the Gen Consensus published in 2003 on perforator flap terminology, is still the keystone and guideline for scientific communications. However, some modification must be made to accommodate the rapid and prosperous progress, both in clinical applications and basic investigations. Since 2005, the Chinese Microsurgery Society has held panels to discuss perforator flaps every year and has reached consensus on definition and nomenclature. The Chinese terminology of perforator flaps is based primarily to the 6 definitions in the Gen consensus, but with some modifications. This may be relatively broad and may contain various variants in clinical applications. Chinese version of perforator flap definition and nomenclature. Definition: all flaps isolated on a set of perforator vessels, artery and vein, one or several, can be defined as perforator flaps. It is an axial pattern flap nourished directly by tiny perforator vessels, intraseptal or intramuscular, that must be identified or isolated during operative microdissection. Perforator flaps are defined from the point of feeding vessels regardless of flap tissue component. Perforator flap can be adipocutaneous, fasciocutaneous, or neurocutaneous, and adivasal, adipofacial, or fascial. Application: perforator flaps can be clinically used in patients such as free microvascular anastomosis, pedicle, pure perforator or perforator plus, combined, conjoined, chimeric, flow-through or vascular augmented, supercharged, turbocharged or super drainage, and so on. Nomenclature: perforator flap should be named preferably after the nutrient artery or vessels and not after the underlying muscle. If there is a potential to harvest multiple perforator flaps from one vessel, the name of each perforator flap should be based on its anatomical region and the proximal vessel or muscle and proximal vessel. Differentiation at the vascular level: medial sural artery with perforator flap means at least a segment of medial sural artery is harvested and included in the pedicle. Medial sural artery without perforator flap means the flap is a true perforator flap and no deep source vessel is harvested. Usage: two versions of nomenclature can be used practically. For oral communication or in the lead title of a paper, concise version should be used, usually named as proximal vessel plus perforator flap, anatomical region plus perforator flap, or muscle plus perforator flap. For introducing new perforator vessels or anatomical variations, or in the text and patient table of a paper, precise versions should be used, such as the SINA method with a series of abbreviations: perforator flap with source vessel, perforator flap without source vessels, through perforator.